Hi guys, it is Pila here. Today I want us to pay attention to the board. Um, I want to also show you how to install it. Let me start again. It doesn't matter whether you are using a cell phone or a laptop. You will go to import and then you go to local. You select the XML file. You select the file like this and then you open. Now you are done. This is just a plug and play. But before you go to play, you have to adjust the stake here. You can see the stake. But hence I said it's just a plug and play. You can play now. The board is still okay. You can see. Let's just give it few minutes and then it will play. The main reason why I'm doing this video, I want to show you how to adjust the martingale and the stake. Now I want us to pay attention to the profit you're going to make. If you trade with $5, you get 49 cents. Using this strategy, you get this 49 cents. But then, if you change the strategy to which one, to up down, you're not gonna get this or this as a profit. And now you can see I took a loss of $5. The stake's going to multiply if we win. You can see here's the profit we made now. So if you trade using this one, you might face challenges. Look at this. We took a negative trade and then it was positive. If we took a loss here and here, you were going to lose $50. That is the martingale. This is the reason why this one is not good. So I'm going to stop the bot now. Done. Reset. I'm using a demo account, guys. I'm using a demo account, so don't worry. Now I'm going to show you another strategy. I prefer one. This one, it's also good. You hardly take losses with this one, but it is hard for you to profit using this one. So here we're going to change, and then we're going to up down, and then you change here your purchase to fall, and then what you have to do, you have to change your stake to 0.50. It's a beautiful board, guys, don't worry. Let's put the 50. Pay attention. Everywhere where the stake you change, this is the first stake that I changed, and then I'm going to put this one back. Make sure that you put this one accurately like this, so that the board will perform very good. And then you come to this block, you change the stake again to 0.50, and then let's leave the actually let me put the martingale to 2 so that everything can work perfectly, guys. This stake you can change anytime you want. You can change this stake anytime you want. You can change it anytime you want, and you must change it to a point where you're going to be comfortable with the losses. Let me just put it back to, okay, it's fine. Let me put it to 2. You'll see how dangerous it is. So I'd say if you just bought the board, please just go and practice how to use it through a demo account, so that you can be familiar with how it performs or how it works. Don't just take it straight to a real account without checking how it performs. Now this board is ready to play. You change this stake, and then you change this stake as well. You remove this one like this. You just drag and then you change. Make sure that your stake is the same. You can see 0 is to 50, 0 is to 50, blah blah blah. So everything must be the same when it comes to stakes. And then here you can adjust up to, I'm not sure if we can get up to 20. I've never went to 20. Okay, let's, hey, It's 20. Let's see what's gonna happen. That means you can go more than I don't know. But the challenge is if you're going to put this one to 20, you'll have a problem. You will have a problem. Look at this. What's gonna happen now if we're going to take a loss? Okay, here is another loss. Oh, flip. I think it took us to 0,2. What? Yeah, look at this. This is where the danger is. The bot now just stopped automatically. The reason why the bot stopped is because of the money that I have here with the demo account. Look at this. Let's go back. Remember, look at the martingale. The martingale is 20. So I'm going to take a trade with 50 US dollars. I took a loss of 50, no, not 50 cent, man. Right, it's a 50 cent. And again, it's another 50 cent. And then now to multiply this by 20, it takes us straight to 10. So we took a loss again to take 20, 10 multiplied by 20, straight to 200. We took a loss again. You can see what happened here. So you're going to say 200 multiplied by 24,000. So this martingale, guys, it is very, very important. Let me reset everything, and then we take it to 2. 2 is the one that I use. 2 is very, very good. I don't mind taking up to 5 losses with martingale 2. I don't mind the losses, because now it goes like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and you with this one you cannot take up to 7 losses in a row. You can see I took a loss of $1. I came back with a 191 US dollar. With 50 cent, I make 46 cent. So you can just play this one and then you observe how it performs. So let's just wait until we take few losses in a row so that you can see what I'm talking about. Hopefully it's gonna be a loss. This one, yes, it is. You can see 50. Now it's 1. Let's take another loss and then let it be 2. At least if you can take up to 4. Yes, here's another loss. Let's take the last loss. I don't know what happened. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen again. When I'm saying so, let's run again. And then we check. I don't know what happened here. But let's just wait for a few losses in a row and then we check how it performs. Let's go up to 4. Yes, now everything is accurate. Let's go to 8, and the last loss we go to 16. Yes, this is what I was talking about. Let's go to 16, and then now we're still going up. We take the profit. Okay, you must pay attention to when we're going to take a profit. Exactly. How many losses we had in a row? Let's go back and count. It's 1, 2, 3. That's why I don't like using deep-boards when I'm teaching. I can't count accurately. Flip. You can see how many losses we took here. Roughly 4 to 5. 4 to 5, and then we made a profit after. So let's just watch and see. When it's a quarter past 4, I'm going to close the pot. But I can bet for you I'll take a profit here. Or let me say, once I take a profit, I close the pot. You can see now. You can see. Let's just pay attention to this. You can see what time is it. You can see what time is it. When it says quarter past, I close. Okay, we're back on a loss. A loss again. A loss again. Look at the contract lost and the contract won. Profit again. The time is up. You can see what time is it now. So even if you can start with a negative account,
Everybody here?
give me a moment.
Everybody got their drinks? All right.
Even if you can start with a negative account, you'll end up having a profit with this one. And if you want to have this bot, go to my website www.forexstreamchasers.com. Let's just wait until we gain the network. Here is the bot. Here is the bot. You go to do Forex. This is how you write forexstreamchasers.com. It's www.forexstreamchasers.com. It will take you to this website, and then this is the bot. You're just going to add this one and pay, and then you are free to get it. And if guys there's something that you don't understand, please let me know so that we can cover whatever that you guys don't understand.